Hey guys, welcome to Jabe Creative. My name is Abe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the new song by The Weeknd called Dancing the Flame. So I'm going to use a capo for this song, and I put my capo on the 4th fret, and that will allow me to play in the key of D flat. I think that's what the key of this song is. And it'll just make it easier so I can play some easier shapes on the guitar. So the verses go with the A, to F sharp minor, back to the A, F sharp minor, then it goes to the E, 2, 3, 4, then the D, 2, 3, 4. And it does that pattern for both, for all the verses that he does in that song. Then in the chorus, it starts on the A, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to the A, 1, 2, 3, back to the F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the E, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the D. And he does that same progression for all the verses, also all the choruses that he does in that song. The other part that's part of that song is kind of the reprise of the like pre-chorus or tag. That one goes E, to F sharp minor, back to the E, 1, 2, and to the D. Odyssey, back to the chorus. F sharp minor, to E, to the D, and you resolve on an A. Strumming wise, I'm sort of copying what the Weeknd does on the acoustic version. It's like down, 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 up, down, kind of pattern. You can make it your own, but something that sort of helps the song sort of chug along is what you need to get into the rhythm of that song. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a cool song by The Weeknd. It's more musical. It feels more like a song. Quite a few songs that we hear today, which are more just the same chords. Doesn't feel like there's much variation between sections. So it's a cool song. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. And if you did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.